Do you want to study abroad? Are you looking for coaching for IELTS? Do you want that high band score of 8 to 9? Then this video is for you. Hello friends, I am Dr. Tejas Jaiswal. I am a pediatric and preventive dentist as well as a businessman. I aim to study MBA in USA, and for that I took coaching for IELTS at KC Overseas Education. I got an overall score of 8 bands. KC helped me learn the tips and tricks of how to get a high band score, and today I am here to share the same with you all. Now coming on to the first trick, that is mindfulness. Mindfulness plays a very important role throughout the examination. It is a very important part in that it is not only beneficial for the reading as well as the writing aspect, but it is especially important for listening and speaking part as well. Mindfulness during listening helps you to pay full attention to the audio clip that is being played, as well as it also helps you during the speaking test to listen carefully as well as correctly understand the questions that are asked by the examiner. So my advice to you would be, when you are appearing for the exam, when you are in the exam hall, you should become mindful of the examination completely. You should pay full attention to the exam and just erase all the other thoughts from your mind. Just be alert and aware of what is being asked and what is going on as a part of the examination, and just perform accordingly. This will not only help you understand what the examiners want, but also will help you create better answers, especially during writing as well as speaking part of the examination. Coming on to the second trick, that is high speed. Throughout the examination, the candidate must try and maintain a high speed. Since there are sections in IELTS that are allotted a stipulated time, the candidate is expected to finish each section within time. For this, the only formula that can help is by continuous and repetitive practice. Now, coming to the third trick, that is being precise and concise. This formula is especially helpful and applicable to the speaking as well as the writing part of the test. Being precise and concise helps us not only complete the test within time, but also helps us express ourselves more clearly as well as in an impressive manner. So these are few tricks that will help you achieve your desired band score. I hope you found this video useful. For further help, you may approach KC Overseas Education. Thank you.